Hi, and welcome to the Financial Freedom Hub. If you want to achieve financial freedom, live the life of your dreams so that you can make a positive impact on the world and create a legacy of achievement and fulfillment in every aspect of your life, then the Financial Freedom Hub is the platform for you. So what do we do here at the Financial Freedom Hub? In short, we help people achieve financial freedom. Who is this for? The Financial Freedom Hub is for wealth builders, freedom seekers, opportunity riders, for the resolute and unconventional, for those who are serious about building a solid financial future, whatever the world throws at them. And what are our core principles? First, simplicity. We believe in clarity, in simplicity, and in being uncluttered, and we absolutely reject nonsense. Second, effectiveness. Our approaches and solutions are extremely powerful and unbelievably effective. And they aren't just for the privileged few, so anybody can apply them and succeed. Next principle, true financial freedom. Our philosophy is that true financial freedom is not found by you having to work hard for money, but having money, processes, and systems work for you. Next one, democratization. Our goal is to democratize the ability to build, grow, and protect wealth, hence the ability to achieve financial freedom to anyone who so desires. Then we have scale. We share wealth-building strategies, approaches, solutions, and methodologies that can be scaled, so that you can achieve big and extremely significant results with as little effort as possible in the shortest time possible. Finally, integrity and honesty. We believe and practice integrity and honesty in absolutely everything we do. Right, so look, if you're watching this right now, chances are that we share the same goal and we're probably traveling the same path. That means that we have something incredibly special in common, despite the fact that we probably haven't met just yet. We basically share the same goal in life, and that goal is freedom. You're watching this probably because you want more out of life. You want to fulfill your potential. You want to experience all that life has to offer, and you want to achieve the kind of financial freedom that will allow you to do that. That means you're one of us, and you're on a journey that frankly you don't need to walk alone. Look, the fastest way to achieve your financial freedom goals is to learn from those who've already completed this journey, from those who've already achieved financial freedom, and who can help show you the way. Our aim here at the Financial Freedom Hub is to put together a world-class collection of exclusive approaches, strategies, methodologies, solutions, and education that are designed to solve your biggest problems, help you capture the best available opportunities that will allow you to build, grow, and protect wealth and achieve financial freedom faster than you could ever imagine, so that you can live the life of your dreams, make a positive impact on the world, and create a legacy of achievement and fulfillment in every aspect of your life. Because the reality is that the opportunities are endless. You just need to know how to capture them. And that's exactly what you'll learn how to do in the best and effective way with us. Hi, my name is Sergio Bizzotto, and I'm the founder of thefinancialfreedomhub.com. After more than 2 decades of experience as an entrepreneur, investor, trader, mentor, educator, and innovator, the lessons that I've learned, my experience, my knowledge, and my wisdom are what allowed me to help the people in our community, our followers, our students, and our clients grow and improve both personally and professionally much faster than they ever thought possible, get results for them previously unthinkable, and avoid costly mistakes in the process. We have already helped thousands of people change their lives, and we can help you as well. How? Well, the first step is for you to become part of our community. Subscribe to this channel and start following us so that you won't miss a thing of what we're going to be sharing. Then, as a second step, I strongly recommend that you access the unbelievably valuable education that we make available for free. Links in the description below. Alternatively, what you can do is scan the QR code on the screen right now, and on the page that opens up, you'll find all the links to our free education, resources, and additional information. Now, all that being said, you might be asking, who are the typical financial freedom hubbers? Well, in short, they are freedom seekers. They love freedom. They strive for it. They purposely and relentlessly seek it so that they can achieve it and enjoy it in its fullness. They are action takers. They never hesitate. They take action. They don't sit on the fence, and they move forward. and they move fast because they know that decisiveness and action taking are traits shared by all successful people. They are opportunity riders. They look and hunt for opportunities. They can recognize them, and when they jump on one, they ride it in the best possible way. They're empire builders. They have big plans. They want to build, build, build. They want to grow, grow, grow. They never stop. They don't put ceilings above the head that could limit their reach or the level of positive impact and success they can have. They're resolute. They're extremely determined and unwavering in their purpose. They're ambitious. They have clear and very well-defined goals and a strong desire and determination to succeed. They wish to rise above their present position or condition. They're also not scared to do what it takes and to put in the required effort towards that and towards their continuous improvement. They are warriors, not warriors. They are brave and courageous. They fight for what they believe in. They fight to achieve their purpose, objectives, goals, and freedom. They fight so that they can live an amazing and fulfilling life. And they don't worry. They never do, because they know that worrying is as useful as trying to solve an algebra equation by chewing bubblegum, and a complete waste of their time and energy, so they simply don't. They're unconventional. They think and act differently than most people. They're not average. They don't think or act based on or conforming to what is generally done or believed. They want to be on the top 1% or even the top 0.1%. And to be so, they know that they must think and act differently than 99% or even 99.9% of people. They are independent. They think and act free from outside control. They do not want to be subject to others' authority. They're not influenced by the thoughts or actions of others. They're free and autonomous. They're resilient. They're willing and able to withstand or recover quickly from any difficult situation or from anything that life throws at them. They face challenges head-on instead of complaining, of falling into despair, or using unhealthy coping strategies. They have a mental reservoir of strength that helps them handle stress and hardship. They are consistent. They keep going at it. They keep behaving, doing the things and taking the actions that will take them where they need and want to be, over and over again, consistently. They're persistent. They never stop. They continue firmly and stubbornly in believing and pursuing their visions and their goals, and taking the necessary actions in spite of any difficulty or opposition. They are relentless. They are extremely determined to achieve their goals, do what they need to do what it takes, and refuse to give up. They succeed because they know that those who succeed are by definition those who never gave up. They are limitless. They have no limits or boundaries as to what is achievable in terms of extent or magnitude. They think big because they know that thinking big will lead to extraordinary results that would never have been achievable without thinking big. They're bulletproof. They resist any difficulty or adversity. They effectively shield themselves from situations or circumstances that could damage them. They and their thinking are invincible, invulnerable, and not subject to any type of influence that would prevent them from achieving their goals. They're unstoppable. They're like warriors. They're always ready to take on the world. They're guided by a light from within full of boundless energy. They are unwavering in their goals. They have learned to activate their natural talents and develop the skills necessary to achieve whatever they aim for. And lastly, they know that they're just one opportunity away. Well, this is your opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. Grab it with both hands by taking action immediately. So if you haven't already, please go ahead, get started, become part of our community, and get some of the invaluable free education that we make available. You can access it straight away and begin your financial freedom journey starting immediately. Links in the description below. Alternatively, what you can do is scan the QR code on the screen right now, and on the page that opens up, you'll find all the links to our free education, resources, and additional information. Oh, by the way, if you're finding this video interesting, valuable, or inspirational, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, if our philosophy and our core principles resonate with you, and if you're still watching this, chances are that some or a lot of it does, or if you simply found this video valuable, in that case, if you haven't already, a subscribe would mean a lot to us, because it supports the channel And what that also does, it gives us an indication that we're building an audience and that we're creating helpful content for people. And when you do subscribe, remember to click the notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as we release a new video. Also, please leave a comment down below and let us know which of the Financial Freedom Hubber's traits that I listed earlier align with you the most. Is it freedom seeker, action taker, opportunity rider, empire builder, resolute, ambitious, warrior, unconventional, independent, resilient, consistent, persistent, relentless, limitless, bulletproof, or unstoppable? Which one or which ones resonate with you the most? Share that with us and with the other Financial Freedom Hubbers in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. Also, let me know in the comments below what you would like our next video to be about. And finally, please share this video with family, friends, or with anyone you think could find this video or our channel interesting, valuable, or inspirational. Right, that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take action, ride opportunities, always seek true freedom, be resilient, be consistent, carry on persistent, stay relentless, and most of all, remain unstoppable.